welcome back to your channel. I'm Maria.
And I'm Maria.
And together we're Dose of Maria. Welcome to this video. We always say this, but we're always so grateful for everyone who has supported us over the last year and a half or 2 years. Actually, almost 2 years.
Yeah.
Especially 2020, we felt all the love and support. I just want to say thank you to everyone.
We're celebrating with the cake.
2 cakes, actually. So,
I get the baby one.
Yeah, because I don't trust Maria with decorating. Let's just say that.
She left me the baby cake.
She don't trust herself either. She chose the baby cake.
Well, we haven't even told you guys what we're gonna do.
So this might explain more why she chose that one. But go ahead, let them know, Maria.
So we're gonna decorate a cake. Not any just cake. We're going to decorate a Walmart cake. This one was $5, right? And this one was $10.
So basically the point of this video is turning a $20 grocery store into a wedding cake. So this is our take on it. It's not exactly the same, but this is, again, our twist to it. So we decided to get 2 already round cakes. I know everyone else does the sheet cakes and they just cut it out, but honestly, I don't trust Maria and I to do that. Well, we don't trust each other to do that much work and be able to do it. So
because remember our first attempt at
you guys
cake.
have seen it so many times. So yep. So we hope you guys still enjoy this video. We're gonna try our best to make it look decent. We've seen a TikTok and that video, we were so inspired by it because it's so pretty. So I'm gonna insert a picture of it here. But that cake is just so pretty, and we were like, maybe we could try and do something similar to it. So
we'll see how that
we'll see.
out.
We're so excited to try it, but at the end of the day, we'll see how it comes out. So if you guys would like to watch, stay tuned. So we're gonna start off by taking off all the icing that's already on the cakes, because we're gonna do like a pink, white, ivory pink kind of color. I'm not too sure, but we're gonna take off all the icing on here, which I don't even know.
I don't know how thick it is.
Oh.
And it's really hard.
Okay, you guys. So here goes nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, she decided to make a little one. That's so satisfying. Aww. It's like just came off completely.
Oh. This ain't the least work, but I don't bake, and out of nowhere, Maria turned into a baker, so.
Hey, this was an idea before I even got into baking, because honestly, it's not baking, we're just decorating.
Yeah, but you're the artist.
True. I think I ruined my cake already.
You can fix it.
This is harder than I thought.
Guys, I'm done. Don't mind the pieces that are gone.
Yeah, can you... This is our 2021 cake, so depending on how well we do with this cake, it's gonna determine our 2021. So we gotta do the best we can, Maria. I hope this is thick enough. I kind of have it.
You think it's not?
I don't think so. Like, I feel like we're struggling so bad right now. Okay, this is definitely thin. Okay, I'm gonna coat this one real quick, but it's not thick enough, you guys.
All right,
Is
so.
it good though? Can I taste it?
Yeah, it's good. How do I put this?
You push it in. You push it in.
I don't really care.
Maria, not like that. Okay.
You
Open
said you
the bag.
push it in.
Take that out. Open the bag and push the tip inside the bag. Open up the scissors and go up halfway. Right there. Mark it. Don't cut it through, eh? Just mark it. And as long as you can see it, take out the white tip and cut right there. And then push the tip in again so it won't go all the way through. It just gets stuck right there again.
That's what you were saying to do?
You don't gotta take it all the way out. Just cut it. consistency. That's what happens when you watch the...
So I made a hole in my cake for a flower.
Why do we always do this to ourselves?
Yeah, why?
It's because, like, we believe we can do it. We're like, it's not that bad. And then we actually try it, and then it's like, I don't know about that.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And then we're so concentrated and we're not even like seeing what we're actually doing to the video. Like, are we making this?
Are we failing at the video and in real life? Because
it feels like it.
Or what it feels like. Okay, this isn't as horrible, I guess, but...
Oh, that looks good!
Right, just straighten it, like, fix it up a little bit.
Yeah.
And
Even así que tiene.
No, I want a good job. And
Yeah,
that's the
we
thing.
can't do good.
I know, that's the thing. Like, it's like, I want to do a good job, and like in my brain, I'm like, I could do it. Like, it's not that hard. But then, like, when I'm actually trying to do it, it's like, bitch, you don't know shit. It's hard.
Sometimes it's alright to it don't have to be perfect.
Okay. Thank you, Maria.
No, but in this I mean. I'm thinking mine is fine already.
I mean, yeah, I will fine. Oh, can I have one of those dowels?
What?
Can I have one of those dowels?
What's the dowel?
Those little stickies. Sticks!
These are stickies.
Yeah.
What else sticks but that?
What? Oh, these are too much.
Guys, I don't think we're eating this cake, so if you guys see us licking our fingers,
Yeah.
don't mind it. Hey, I haven't seen you in so long.
I know, because I was sick and...
Maria was sick, guys.
But luckily, like, truly luckily, it was not COVID. It was just a cold. So, we're not gonna be eating this cake, but if you were gonna eat it, you would use floral tape and cover the little stems of your flowers. I'll go ahead and do one, only because I already have this piece out, so. Just wrap it. Okay, so you're just gonna wrap your little flower stems like this. Whoa!
I'm cold! It's my cold laugh.
You have a cold laugh and a, what, warm laugh?
Wow, yours is so good on the sides.
Thank you.
I don't think I could do that.
Maria, I believe in you.
The lines come out.
I believe.
How do you make the lines and not come
Do
out?
it standing, like, not you standing, but the thing standing.
I need you to fix your eating habits this year.
Okay, 2021 goal. One of them definitely is fix my eating habits because
Yes, but you gotta try harder because 2020, that was your goal.
what?
Yep.
I don't remember calling it out or speaking it out into the world like that.
You said
But
you
now
wanted to.
I'm gonna hold myself accountable because it's in this video. So 2021, fix my eating habits and eat breakfast and eat lunch at its time and eat dinner. when it's
Yeah,
supposed
you're
to.
working from home. What's stopping you?
Well, nothing. Honestly, I just don't eat sometimes, and when I do eat, it's kind of late.
Also, Maria's other goal is to finish her Chipotle bowl in one sitting.
I still can't believe how you're able to do that.
Okay, tell me why. My coworker, I told her the same thing. She was like, I still can't believe you could finish a whole bowl. She thought about it again the next day or the whole next week, and she's like, I was sitting eating my Chipotle thinking how you could finish this whole thing.
There's no way. Like, that's hella Chipotle, and I really, like...
Hasta me hace falta más. Anyways, as I was telling you guys, that's one of Maria's challenges for 2021. She needs to finish her Chipotle bowl in one sitting.
Okay, we might have to do a fucking little mukbang or something.
That'd be, yeah, why haven't we done it at Chipotle?
No idea. Oh man.
Oh man.
Oh man.
It's not even a day.
It is now. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go and put this in here. Stab, stab, stab.
Look, guys. We have a mess. Oh, that's so cute, Maria.
Oh my god. I did something, y'all.
Yay!
Alright, at this point of the game, guys, we're
We
gonna
have a
stack
mess.
we're gonna stack the cakes together and then work off of one because we need the final picture to come together, come to life.
Yes.
Wow!
Wow! You
Oh.
put your thumb right there.
It's okay. We're gonna cover it up, girl. Okay.
How dare you?
I didn't see my thumb doing this thing over there.
All right.
That's
Wow.
so cute.
You need to stick yours more
Oh,
in.
I know, but I was too laughing because, you know.
Too laughing. Guys.
Look at what we're doing. Look what we have so far.
You said go to the bottom ones. Yours looked in a big hole.
Oh, it's okay. I'm covered up. Maria! Oh!
How did you do that, Maria? We can still save it.
How? I can't believe.
Okay.
Maria! Oh man.
It's alright. But that's cute.
Let's just throw all the flowers on there. Come on.
It's cute. There's nothing wrong with it.
There's not. It's
Why'd you
perfect.
scream? You get scared?
Yeah, you scared me actually when you screamed. And I saw my life flash before my eyes.
That was funny.
Oh man. Okay. Nothing happened.
Yeah, nothing. I mean, we were already fixing it anyways.
This is perfect, you guys. You know? This is the father wedding cake.
This is how you fix a cake tutorial.
Yes, so now you're gonna hide all the imperfections with some baby's breath.
Guys,
This is just a disaster. I swear I thought we got this, Maria. I was like, we're gonna do good. We've grown. We're good, you know? And this happens.
It's
Okay.
just meant to happen.
Okay, that's okay. Nothing happened here.
Yeah, nothing.
Oh, it looks cute.
It doesn't look bad. What are you talking about?
Yeah, it looks cute.
That's so cute.
That is. You want to put some in there? This is. Oh, they're going into the hole.
Wow.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay, you guys. Maria and I are opening up our baking shop.
We are.
If you guys want to go and buy a cake from us. Ooh. Ooh.
For sure.
Woo, that's fun. Woohoo.
Like, it
That's
tastes
so
like
cute.
a good. Huh?
Yes. Ooh. Sure, we have to fix this.
Where are you putting them, Mom?
On the ground. Oh, that's giving me weird vibes.
What?
The holes, the Indians.
Oh!
Okay, you guys. Okay, I don't think you guys are ready for this, but it took us a lot of time, a lot of talent. We present to you our wedding cake. Woo! Look at the beauty of this. Oh my God.
So cute.
Really proud of this. It's like the cutest cake ever. Alright, you guys, so that's been it. That's how we created this beautiful masterpiece. We hope you guys enjoyed it.
But don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and stay tuned. We're gonna have so much more videos and exciting stuff coming soon.
Yes.